Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. To my returning subscribers, I'm gonna say thank you for always coming back to watch the videos of the channel. I really appreciate, guys. Thank you for the love. Thank you for always coming back to check on me. Yeah, so again today we're back at the garden. At the garden area, just came to check on how the garden is doing, how the onions are doing, and how the making the host for the bananas. I've taken some time. I've not come to check on the how the orchard is doing here. I've heard the sugar canes have already been planted, so I just wanna see how they planted them. Yeah, I really missed out. I really wanted to see how they plant sugar canes, but I'm sure on the next plantation, when planting the other sugar canes, I'm sure I'm gonna film. I'll be there to film and show how the plant sugar canes. I also want to learn. I also want to see. So let's check out together, guys, on what's happening. Let me update you on what's happening. The onions have grown. See how the onions have grown. It looks kind of dry. It needs to be watered. The watering will be done soon. There's a big hole here. That hole has to be buried so that the water should be running that hole as they are watering. The onions have already grown so much. The onions have really grown. They just need lots of water. Lots of water. Yeah guys, so let's check out how they are digging the banana holes, or maybe I should start with the sugar canes. Yeah, let me start by showing you how they planted the sugar canes since I was not here. Ten. Yeah, so it's just me here. I'm walking around just to show you guys. I really missed out on how they planted, so I'm just gonna show you how they planted the sugar canes. So I'm gonna update you on how they're making the holes. Then I'm gonna check out everything, how it's been done. Yeah. Remember how this place was, guys? It was a bush, but now it's clear. I can walk through. Yeah, the place looks clear enough now. On my previous videos, you see how this place was really scary to walk through. You're like, oh my god, how am I gonna walk through this place? So let's check out on the sugar canes. Enter from that side. So all this space that has been left, suppose we're gonna plant sugar canes in them. So let's start from that side. This place really looks good. I like how it's looking. They've really cleaned this place. And there's so much sand. I think it's because of the water, the stream that we have here. So this is how they've planted the sugar canes, guys, so that it can be just easy for them to water As there'll be water in the water, will be just coming through, yeah, because the stream is just there. So it's just a matter of starting the pump. You just put the line, the pipe in one of the lines, just like that. That's how easy to be watering the sugar canes. Otherwise, this is how they planted the sugar canes. This is how I've planted the sugar canes. I've never seen how they plant sugarcane. This is my first time. I just see it. Wow, it's already grown. So this is how they've planted. So all this would be sugar canes. From there to there to that mango tree, yeah, all this would be a line of sugar canes. I really can't wait for the sugar canes to grow. It's like I'll be just walking through. Yeah, so I could be just walking through to big sugar canes, big bananas. We've got pawpaws as well. We've got avocados. We've got guavas. We've got Mexican apples. We've got mangoes. We've got oranges. We've got lemons. Yeah, coming up bit by bit. They say one step ahead makes a difference. Yeah, this place is really making a lot of sense. It's really making a lot of sense. I remember last time how this place was. It had plastics everywhere. There were plastics, there were these green weeds, and oh my god, I really don't even know how I can describe how this place was, but the video itself, I'm sure the previous video shows how this place was. Yeah, so yeah, you can see a difference, guys. We can see how the place has changed, how good it looks. Let's now check on the banana holes. Yep. So guys, these are the holes for the bananas. These are the banana holes. As you can see, we're still battling with plastics as we are digging. Still finding plastics, as you can see. There's so much work of picking out the plastics, because the stream just brings so many rubbish, and it gets to the soil. So this is how they're making the holes for the bananas. As they'll be planting the bananas, I'll come and show you guys. Or maybe I'll be planting as well. I'm gonna take part in planting the bananas as well. So we're just gonna buy banana suckers anytime from now. So the banana orchard they've started from here. It's gonna go up to that far end as well. Same goes for the sugar canes as well. Started from here, it's gonna go that far end. It's all gonna be a sugarcane plantation. Yep. So this is how far we've gone. the orchard here. Yeah. So guys, as I've always shown you this place, saying we're gonna start maintaining the place. Yeah, so starting bit by bit. You can see the bulldozer is doing its thing. Yeah, it's grading out the soil. Like I've said, like you've seen how this place is. We're gonna work on this place. Yeah, we'll keep on updating you as we are working on the place. So I'm just showing you how this place is gonna look like in the near future. We're starting bit by bit, step by step. Here I'll try to put the double gate. Yeah. My battery's going down. So I'm at the showground. I came to order the bananas, so I just came to pay. So they're gonna, today is Wednesday, yeah, so they're gonna be delivered on Friday. Yeah, so come and take a walk with me as I show you the sweet ingredients that we have ordered. Yeah. First and foremost, I got lost because showgrounds is kind of, you know, it's a big area, it's a big place, different shops, and I think the location that I was given wasn't accurate, so I kept walking in circles, but finally someone came to pick me up. Yeah, so let me show you how this place looks like. Got different kind of flowers, pot flowers, rose flowers, different trees, bananas, sweet medium bananas, and Cavendish bananas. Yeah, so let's take a look. So these are the Cavendish bananas. This is how they look like. This is a family of the palm trees. As far as I know, these I don't know any of these. And these are the plantains. These are the plantains. This is how the plantains look like. I like this tree. This tree looks nice. Yeah, so these are the sweet Williams. This is how they look like. Yeah. These are sweet Williams. This is what they look like. So they're going for 60 kwacha, the suckers, and then the plantains are going for 80 kwacha. But if you want to make recommendations, you can ask and they will let you know about how you can go about ordering or coming to buy. Yeah, they're located at the showgrounds. So this is how the sweet William looks like. Yeah, so they're gonna be delivering on Friday. Then guys, I can take you from there and show you how we're gonna be planting our bananas. We've already showed how we planted the sugar canes, but now at least we're moving together as we're gonna be planting the bananas. Yeah, so this is how the place looks like, guys. They've got different kind of flowers and trees. Yeah. Oh.
Because I'm hearing you say people don't have, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
You have to get them all the way from Chom.
Oh, all the way from Chom.
All the way from Chom.
Whoa. That's a long way.
Yeah, now we're going to because this
Okay. So this is it, guys. I'll get going now. Going to make my payments, and yeah. So this is the view. Heading home now. You can see they've got different kind of flowers. And they've got the grass as well. These trees look like bananas, but they're not bananas. We've got palm trees as well. So guys, heading back home now. The different kind of shops in the showgrounds, everything that is to do with agriculture, you'll find it here. This is where the train passes when it's time for the agriculture and commercial show. Yeah. Hi. guys, let's check out the bananas. The bananas were delivered they come from a very far place in the southern part of Zambia. Then they bring them to showgrounds, the agriculture and commercial showgrounds. That's why they have a distributor. That's what they distribute. Yeah, so these are the bananas, 150 suckers. I don't know much about suckers, but when we asked them about why they're looking like this, the leaves are really looking dry, and they were like, no, I don't know. They gave some explanation, like excuses. They explained to say no, it's because of the cold, so on and so forth. So yeah, just hoping that the bananas are gonna grow. But otherwise, these are the bananas, 150 suckers. And then we have plantain. These are plantain. These are part of the bananas. Yeah, and these are the plantains. So like I say, guys, I was gonna show you how we're planting the bananas here, because last time I just showed the sugar canes while they're already planted. So this time I'm gonna show while they were planting the bananas, I'll show how we're gonna be planting them. Yeah, and I think the next batch of sugar canes as well, I'm gonna show. Oh, that's a loaded truck. The next planting of sugar canes, I'm gonna show as well how we'll be planting them. As you're watching, guys, let's not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let's share the channel, let's share the videos. Help me reach to that 1,000 subscribers, and let's watch the videos to the end so that we can put up those watch hours. I'll really appreciate. This is how the bananas look. These look kind of okay, yeah, but those, just giving my fingers crossed so that they should just grow. Yeah, so they also gave us this bag of manure, premium compost. Yeah, so it comes with the bananas if you buy a lot, of course. So guys, now we've come to the place where we're planting the bananas. Yeah, some of the bananas have already been planted, so yeah, some have not yet been planted, so you will see how we're planting the bananas. Yeah, but otherwise, as you can see, these that are already planted, how good they planted them. Yeah, I like how they planted them, and the water that these not yet, have not been watered yet. Some have been watered because we're just planting and watering them, yeah, to keep the soil moist. Yeah. So now I'm gonna show you guys. Let me show you the other holes. After showing you these that have been watered, keeping the soil moist, then I'm gonna show you the other holes that have not been planted yet, so that you can see how we're planting the bananas. So this is how we're planting. Yeah, we start with the manure, the chicken manure, pour in the hole, at the bottom. Yeah. Then we splash the manure so that it can be all over the hole. Then what is next? You put the soil in the hole. Pick the bit of soil. After putting the soil, you splash with your shovel, yeah, to make it better. Like he's doing here, he just had to use his hands because of some um, uh, uh, big lumps of soil. Yeah, and then now you place your banana, and then we tear the plastic out of it. You can't plant something or plant a plant with plastic. You have to remove the plastic, yeah, and let it be just the soil itself. Then now put the soil around it, make it just look perfect properly. Yeah, put soil, as I've said, put soil, make it look perfect, and then on top of it we're gonna splash fertilizer. It's called MAP fertilizer. Yeah, you splash it around the banana. Make sure you put the right amount of the manure and put a bit of soil again on top of it to cover it. And then after that, we'll now pour water. Yeah, we'll pour water on top of the banana so that fertilizer can dissolve with the soil and it can work together with the manure. So guys, this is how we're planting the bananas. Yeah, I hope you learned something, because I'm also learned. This is my first time seeing bananas being planted. I only see bananas already grown, and I only know how to pick bananas, but I never knew how to plant bananas. But now I'm learning. I've learned, yeah, and I know in the future I'll be able to plant my own bananas. I can do it because I've learned from here. Yeah. As you're watching, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Help me reach to that 1,000 subscribers. We can do it together, guys. Yeah, we can do it together. And let's put up those watch hours. Yeah, so this is the next how that we are planting our banana. As usual, the same thing. You start with manure. We're using chicken manure because we have our own manure for the chickens that we are keeping at the house. So just brought the manure at the orchard, and that's what we use it. So we start with the manure, put soil, then place our banana. On top of the banana, you place some soil again. After placing some soil, then you place the fertilizer. Then placing the fertilizer, you splash some soil on top of the fertilizer again. Then after that, you just water it. That's it. Your bananas are planted. Yeah. So I hope you're learning something, guys, as I'm learning as well as we are planting the bananas. Yeah, keep on watching, and you enjoy watching as we are planting our bananas. Come with your water here as well, yeah? So you can film this one, okay? Never. Come with the water here. Just wait. Put it down here right now. Never. Wait. I'm not ready. Okay, after that one, yeah? So some bananas don't look good, like this one. So I called the people that I ordered from, and I told them there's some bananas that really don't look good. So they promised to say they're gonna replace some of the bananas that don't look good, so that we can come plant them in other places, because some bananas look like they're not gonna catch, and which would be so bad, after all the effort made. So just walking around, guys, to just show you the bananas that have already been planted and the ones that we're still planting. Just walking around to show you this, because this is going to be a big orchard. It's not only these bananas that have been planted, but in the near future it's gonna be a big orchard of bananas and plantain and sugar canes. So this section is a section for bananas, and these bananas that are being planted right now, they're called Sweet Williams. But in the future, as we are improving our orchard, we're gonna add the Cavendish bananas as well. So I just love how bananas have been planted. It looks cool. Like this banana really looks tiny and small. I just hope it's gonna catch. Fingers crossed. So this is the whole section. So this is the fertilizer that we're using. I'll show it for you guys to see it properly. I think I can't explain more about how it's planting the bananas, because right now we've already seen how they're planting the banana. This is the fertilizer. This is the fertilizer that we're using. Like I said, that I'm gonna show you properly. If all you want information on what type of fertilizer we're using, sure you can have a read and see what it consists of. So hope it's gonna be helpful for those who are farmers who need this type of fertilizer. I'm sure it's good. And just coming to the section where the sugar canes are, this is how the sugar canes are looking for now. and soon they're gonna be watered. It looks a bit dry, and we need to weed because I can see a lot of weeds in the sugar canes. Yeah, so this is the section for the sugar canes. So guys, this is what I really had for you all. I hope you've enjoyed yourself. I hope you've learned something, like I've learned how to plant bananas. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. And my returning subscribers, I'm always grateful for the love that you show me. Let's continue together. We can make it, we can do it. Yeah, for me now, I'm gonna say it's bye bye. Until next time, stay blessed.